Hello and welcome to the ByteBlaze Academy. In this video, we are going to show you how to install WordPress on your website through CLI through command prompt. So this is my website byteblaze.live. It is a virtual host which is hosted on a VPS which is by DigitalOcean. So this is my DigitalOcean VPS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to install WordPress on this VPS, and this domain is connected to that VPS. So my WordPress will get installed on this domain. So to begin with, what I will do is I will first log into my VPS through command prompt. So and here is my password. So I'm logged in now. This is my folder where I'm going to install var www byteblaze.live slash public html. So this is my folder where I'm going to install WordPress. So next step is that you will download latest zip file of the WordPress installation file from official website of the WordPress. And to do so, we have to type wget and URL of the file. You will find this URL. Uh, you will find this file on URL wordpress.org slash latest.zip. So wget wordpress.org slash latest.zip. So this will download zip WordPress source code zip folder zip file on the in the public HTML folder. So let me see if it is downloaded. Yes, you can see latest.zip is downloaded. Next step is that we will unzip the latest.zip, and this zip is not installed, so I'm going to install sudo apt install zip. After installing this, I'm going to repeat the same. So I'm going to unzip this, unzip latest.zip. Here we go, it is unzipped now. So you will see a WordPress folder in the same directory. So currently, the installation would be your domain name slash WordPress. However, we want to install WordPress in the parent directory, so that if someone visits that domain, the WordPress should get loaded and the website should get loaded in a return. So I'm going to move all the file of the WordPress folder to its parent directory. And to do that, we have to run command cp hyphen a, and from where, from WordPress, and uh, space and then dot. So it will copy all the file of WordPress folder in the root directory. Hit enter. Now you can see all the file is copied to the root directory. Now these two files are not required, latest.zip and WordPress folder. So we will remove these two files, rm latest.zip and then rm hyphen r recursive WordPress. So these two folder is deleted. Now all the WordPress file is copied in my root directory of the domain byteblaze.live. So byteblaze.live. And once you have copied all the file in the root directory, you will be able to see setup wizard once you hit your domain URL. So I'll say let's go. Database name, I'm going to put my database name. I have already created a database and database MySQL username and password. If you want to see how to create a username and password, I will attach another video link in the description. So my database name is wpdb, which is already created, and my mysql username is wp underscore root, and then I have set my password, which I'm setting. Table prefix and database host, you can keep localhost and wp underscore as it is, and click on the submit. Okay, it will give you an error saying that the configuration file is, the WordPress is not able to create configuration file. What you have to do is you have to set permission, and in order to allow your browser to create wp config file, we will have to set a file permission to the root directory of this domain. And to set file permission, we have to write sudo chown -r, then triple w hyphen data colon triple w hyphen data, and then full path full path of your root directory of your domain. So here it is var slash triple w slash byteblaze.live slash public.html, and then hit enter. So your permission for this folder is set. So again, we have to just click on the run installation, and choose language. Let's go. Here I'm going to put my database name, then username of my mysql, and then password. I'm keeping database host and table prefix as it is, and submit, and run this installation. Site name, you can put whatever you want to. So byteblaze is my site name, bb admin is the username. You can generate strong password, or you can choose your password, whatever password you want. And here we have to you have to put your email id. So in any future use, this would be required. byteblazeacademy at gmail.com, and then install WordPress. So this is done. If I visit this domain byteblaze.live, it will show me the default WordPress